Hello friends, welcome to this live stream of this coding Shiksha. So here basically we'll be building a PHP script which allows you to add watermark logo image to all the pages of the PDF document, and we will be using the library called as FPDF library, which is a open source PHP library. If you just type here FPDF PHP, the very first link which comes right here, it's a PHP library, and it's like basically a class which allows you to generate PDFs on the server side in PHP, and it works without the PDF lib library. So this is a FPDF library that we have using right here in the application, and this is our script right here, index.php. So let me show you the input file right here. You will see this is actually the input file if I open this in the browser. So this is actually the input file that we are taking. 11 pages are there in the document of PDF. And now I need to add the watermark image to each and every page in the PDF document. So I can simply go to the script and write here. Just here you need to provide the input PDF path here. So I just need to write here input PDF here. So just replace your path right here. So I will simply replace the path here, and then the logo.png. So whatever image that you want to add right here. So my image is present in the same folder. So you will see logo.png. If I show you, this is actually a YouTube transparent logo. So if I want to, you can add your own company logo. So this is logo.png, and then this is actually the output file name. So this file will get created in the same directory whenever you run this PHP script. So you can even control the opacity as well of the watermark. So opacity is nothing but the intensity of the watermark which is there in the PDF document. So currently the default value is 20. You can change it to 50 or 10 as well. Let me stick to the default value, which is 20. So if I just run this PHP script, as you all know, PHP is run by Apache server, so you need to have this exam control panel installed on your system. So I've already installed this. If you just go to Google, just type here download exam control panel. So it's a cross-platform software. It's available for Windows, Linux, and Mac as well. So just need to install for your respective operating system. So I've already installed it. So you just need to start the Apache web server. Simply it will start it on localhost 80 port number. So you just need to go to, so by default, whenever you install XAMPP, it will be installed in the C drive. So just go to the C drive here, and it will create a folder of XAMPP. Go to the htdocs folder, and so I've given the overall project in the description of the video. You can directly purchase it, and after you purchase it, you will actually get a zip file from Google Drive. And after you extract the zip file inside this exam folder, you will htdocs folder. So you can simply open this application in the browser by simply typing here localhost PDF watermark. So it will, nothing will be displayed in the browser, but if you now see a file will be created, output.pdf. So you will see that this output.pdf file is created, and if you open it inside the browser, so you will see each and every page will have this watermark of YouTube here. So you will see that this is the second page, third page, fourth page. So let me modify some options right here and rerun this PHP script. Let me change this opacity to, so you can choose the value from 0 to 100. Let me increase the intensity to 50 here, opacity, and again if I run this, so it will run, and you will see output.pdf will get created. This time you will see the intensity of the watermark is increased, so you can now clearly see the watermark. So default value was good, so 50. You can control it opacity accordingly. So each and every page, the watermark will appear at the same location at the center of the page. You will see that. So it's very useful, guys, in many situations. If you have a large PDF document, if you want to add your own company logo to each and every page in the PDF document, then it will be a good project. You can purchase it. The link is given from my website procodestore.com. So you will get a zip file right here, and this will be the directory structure you will get after you extract the zip file. and you just need to run this index.php script right here in the browser, and just need to replace your input file, output file, and the logo file that you want to do it. Let me now change the logo right here. If I pick any other logo and download it from the internet, so make sure it should have, the size of the logo must be small so that it appears correctly in the PDF document. So you can just, you can take the logo in PNG or JPG, so no problem in extension. Both the extensions are supported. So make sure that you take a transparent logo. Just, so here you just need to save this here. So you will see that logo.jpg is stored right here. So make sure that the file is transparent, and so if I change this here, logo.jpg, if I pick this logo right here and run this, so you will get this error right here. Whenever you have changed the extension from JPG to PNG or PNG to JPG, you just inside the source code, you just need to make slight adjustment right here. You first of all just need to go to this line number uh, 33 line number. You will see this is PNG. So just, if you are changing the extension, so just change it to JPG. Just make this slight adjustment and then run the code right here, and it will work. So you will see this output.pdf file is created, and there is this Facebook logo is successfully added at the center of the page, of each page. So this is the script, guys. If you are interested, the script is given. The full source code is, you can purchase it from my website procodestore.com, and you will get the zip file automatically whenever you purchase from Google Drive. You will be redirected to, and you just need to extract it. As I told you how to configure exam, start the Apache server, and you can even use this code, deploy this application to a real domain name as well, and on advertisement revenue as well. So it's a specific tool website which adds watermark to the PDF document pages. So let me just tell you some more information about the code. So I'd already told you that we are actually using this FPDF.php library. So if you just don't know about this library, so just type here. It's an open source library. You can read the documentation more about this. So it allows you to generate PDF, add watermarks, add different kinds of shapes to your PDF document. So we are actually using it as a base library, and on top of that we are actually modifying it some. I just made this specific file here for you, alpha pdf.php, and requiring it at the top of the script. Then we are providing the input file, the watermark image, the output file, the opacity. All these things you can customize it, control it according to your own choice. And then we are instantiating a new constructor of this alpha PDF file right here, and we have this if condition right here. We are setting the source file here, passing the input file name right here in a try catch block. So if any sort of error take place, it can be cached in this exception, and we are displaying if any sort of error take place. It's a good practice in coding. You should have to have try catch block. And then we have iterating through each page here of the PDF document using a for loop. So it will repeat. So if you have a lot of pages in the PDF document, so this for loop will be very beneficial. We are actually importing the page by using the import page method of FPDF, and then we are getting the template size. We are getting the size of each page using this method get template size. Then we are adding this page, and then using this template by using the use template method. And then we are setting the opacity by using this method set alpha, and then calculating these coordinates, which is x coordinate, y coordinate, the width and the height. And then we are setting this watermark image using this method called as image, and that's all. And lastly, we are saving this output file using the output method, which is built. These are all built-in methods of this library. And on top of that, I made this file alpha pdf.php, which you will get after you make the payment. So you will, let me show you some other file right here, book.pdf. So you can see it now, it contains 541 pages. So now let me take this example. So it contains a lot of pages. Let me book.pdf, book output.pdf. So if I change this opacity to 30, and let me change the logo to back to the original logo, which was logo.png. So again run this. So you can see that the size is not a, you will see that you again need to change it because you changed this watermark image to PNG. So again go to the line 33 and just here change it to PNG. So you will see that in this book.pdf it is almost 538 pages. So again, if you run this application, it will run instantly in 2 seconds. All your watermark will be added to all the 538 pages of the PDF document, and a new file will be created. And you will see that each page is having this watermark. All the 538 pages is instantly being watermarked with this simple image. So you no need to use third-party websites or third-party softwares. You can build your own application in PHP. And if you're interested, guys, thus you can purchase this project. And thank you very much for watching this live stream. And I will be seeing you in the next live stream. Until then, thank you very much.